Struggling with dry, brittle, or damaged hair? What if you could repair and strengthen your locks in just 2 to 5 minutes? High Pro Pack's intense protein hair treatment is designed to do exactly that. Whether your hair has been weakened by coloring, heat, or environmental damage, this treatment targets even the most severely damaged strands to help them grow healthier and stronger. I've seen firsthand how this protein hair mask changes the game. It's packed with concentrated proteins and active moisturizers that work together to protect and nourish every strand. The collagen infusion adds moisture and makes your hair easier to manage, while wheat amino acids lock in hydration and boost shine. The result? Hair that feels silky soft, looks vibrant, and resists breakage. It's like giving your hair a second chance. What sets this treatment apart is its salon-quality formula, made right here in the United States. It's thick enough to coat your hair thoroughly, which means better absorption and deeper repair. Many users who color their hair swear by using this product regularly, about every 2 weeks, to maintain strength and manageability. If you bleach your hair, pairing this with a rich moisturizer can deliver even better results. If you're tired of battling tangles and fragile hair, this protein treatment offers a simple, effective solution. It detangles, strengthens, and repairs, so you spend less time fixing your hair and more time enjoying it. Worth a look if you want a no-fuss way to bring life back to damaged hair. Ready to give your hair the care it deserves? Try High Pro Pack Intense Protein Hair Treatment when you're ready to see real change. It's a straightforward step towards stronger, healthier hair. No complicated routines, just effective results.